Managing your finances, creating a budget, and saving money are crucial aspects of personal financial management. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you with budgeting and saving. 1. Assess your financial situation. Start by evaluating your income, expenses, and debts. Understand your current financial standing, including your sources of income, monthly expenses, and outstanding debts. 2. Set financial goals. Determine your short-term and long-term financial goals. Whether it's building an emergency fund, paying off debts, saving for retirement, or a specific purchase, having clear goals will help you stay motivated. 3. Create a budget. Develop a budget to track your income and expenses. Start by listing all your income sources and then categorize your expenses into fixed, e.g., rent, loan payments, and variable, e.g., groceries, entertainment. Allocate a specific amount for each expense category and ensure your total expenses are less than your income. 4. Track your expenses. Keep a record of all your expenses to understand where your money is going. Use smartphone apps or budgeting tools to simplify expense tracking. Regularly review your spending patterns and adjust your budget as needed. 5. Reduce discretionary spending. Look for areas where you can cut back on non-essential expenses. For example, dining out less frequently, minimizing entertainment expenses, and finding cheaper alternatives for certain products or services. 6. Prioritize savings. Make saving a priority in your budget. Aim to save a percentage of your income each month. Start by setting aside an emergency fund that covers 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. Once you have an emergency fund, focus on saving for other goals like retirement, a down payment for a house, or a vacation. 7. Automate savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to a separate savings account. This way, a portion of your income will be saved automatically before you have a chance to spend it. It helps to make saving a habit. 8. Reduce debt. If you have outstanding debts, focus on paying them off. Prioritize high-interest debts first, such as credit card debts. Consider consolidation options or negotiate with creditors for better repayment terms. 9. Review and adjust your budget regularly. Regularly review your budget to ensure it aligns with your financial goals and lifestyle. Adjust your spending and saving habits as necessary. 10. Seek professional advice if needed. If you find it challenging to manage your finances or have complex financial situations, consider consulting a financial advisor who can provide personalized guidance and help you make informed decisions. Remember, budgeting and saving require discipline and consistency. Start small and gradually increase your savings as you become more comfortable with managing your finances.